and parents. For this activity, I'm going to show you how to build a bathtub boat. Parents, you will need to do this activity with your child because it requires a knife and a stapler. Before we get started, you will need a milk carton around that size, 3 straws, a stapler, and a rubber band. Step 1, cut the milk carton in half lengthwise. Step 2, staple a plastic straw on either side of the carton. Use the leftover carton to cut out a rectangle about 2 thumbs high and 1 thumb wide. The rectangle will be the propeller for the boat. Place a rubber band around the rectangle and staple it in the middle on both sides. This is what it will look like. Slip the rectangle's rubber band over the ends of the 2 straws and it should look like this when you're finished. Bend both ends of your last straw and slide them into the ends of the 2 side straws to form a frame for the propeller. So it should look like this when you're done. So for the last step, now it's time to test the boat. I'm going to test the boat in my sink, but of course when you test yours, you should put it in your bathtub. You'll be able to see it move better that way. But before I put it down, I twisted the propeller backward, and now I'm going to set it down and let it go. I hope all of you enjoyed this activity. Have fun and stay safe, everyone.